Good morning. It's 4:51. In observance of the Good Friday holiday, all U.S. markets are closed today. But still, Archer Financial Services' Dennis Smith is up and at 'em with us this morning. Happy Easter, Dennis.
Happy Easter, Mick. Good morning.
Thank you. The markets generally are pretty quiet here heading into a three-day holiday weekend. Was that the case yesterday, or was there a little excitement?
Well, the corn market provided some excitement. Wheat futures rallied. They pulled back off their highs. Corn futures did close on a firm tone. Soybeans just not quite as exciting. But, after, Tuesday's report, corn futures got rocked pretty hard. Soybean futures closed higher on Tuesday. Wheat futures for the week were higher. The story in corn was recovery mode. The next day on the Wednesday, market started out slightly lower, closed higher, and then on Thursday also closing higher. I think traders examining the acreage reduction, realizing that the lower acreage in corn is all located in the heart of the Corn Belt, the high-yielding states, and so that sort of sets the table for pretty good possibility not only of lower production, possibly also of a lower, national average yield.
Right. Now, so after a whirlwind week after Tuesday, 11 a.m., do we kind of need a few days off?
Yeah, it's nice to get a few days, evaluate, and make when we come back in on Monday. The focus will be twofold. It'll be on the weather pattern in the United States, a little bit on South America weather as they continue to complete harvest, but it'll also then be focused on the upcoming USDA supply-demand report. Everybody's expecting now an increase in ending stock projections for the corn, a decrease in ending stock projections for the soybeans as fallout from this USDA report this week. So those will be the focus areas, weather and the next USDA report.
All right. We had an export report this morning, kind of disappointing for U.S. exports.
I need not see the numbers, Matt.
Okay, yeah, not a whole lot. Let's talk for about 30 seconds on livestock. Where are we going to trade livestock next week, do you think?
Yeah, both cattle and hog futures were up for the week. Cattle futures are right up near their highs. We are expecting a cash trade to occur today while the market's closed, probably going to be a higher cash steer market. Hog futures are up off their contract lows on the backside of the hog and pig report. We do still believe, however, that the trend is lower for hog futures, yet while higher for cattle.
All right, good. All right, Dennis, we value your input greatly this morning. Thanks for getting up. Take the rest of the day off. All right, Dennis Smith of Archer. Have a happy Easter weekend. It's 4:54, taking a break, come back, and another check of the forecast and a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.